Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today, Johnny, this is another one of those days. This is another one of those days that I left it up to you. What are we doing? Where are we going? Who's coming? What's happening?
So I've been watching your channel for a long time, and I don't think I've ever seen you get any Indian food.
It's true. Never had Indian food. I just don't know anything about it.
Chicken tikka masala, man.
What?
Chicken tikka masala.
Chicken tikka masala?
Yeah.
Are there mushrooms?
No.
Indian food spicy, I'm assuming?
Yeah.
The other day I went to the P.O. box. Somebody sent me this. It's called The End.
Wow.
This could be the end of you. So you're going to do some today? Like not just a dab. You got to do a lot, right? You're the king of spice.
I'll suffer for the channel.
All right, Indian food. I'm in. Anywhere specific?
Natraj's Tandoori.
Tandori. What does Tandori mean?
I have no idea.
I'll follow you. Johnny on the spot. Indian food. A lot of you guys have asked me to hit Indian food. And again, it's not because I don't like Indian food. It's just I don't know where to go and I don't know what to order. But today, maybe that'll change. Check this out, guys. Today is the first day I am riding a motorcycle without a brace. Huh? Wrist is feeling pretty good, man. I think I'm gonna skip physical therapy. Yeah. A lot of you guys don't know that I like to play the drums. Maybe that could be my physical therapy. Motorcycles and drums. That tractor could have beaten you across the white line. Oh, you know what we can do today? Let's go get tested for COVID. Let's go get tested for COVID.
All right.
It's at the Great Park. Get us there.
The Great Park?
Yeah, with the big orange ball. Kind of nervous to get tested. What happens if we test positive? Hopefully I find out that I've already had it. So I know they're testing. I just don't know where. You'd think there'd be signs, right? Maybe they're not doing it anymore. Are they testing in there still? You know, maybe they just do it first thing in the morning until they run out of tests or something.
Yeah. This thing it's telling you to make appointments, but you gotta create an account.
Oh, come on. Really? I just want to pull in somewhere and get tested and go.
Yeah, it says like not everyone needs to be tested.
What's up, man?
What's up? I have R6. I already got R6. I'm looking for insurance.
Oh, State Farm is good, man.
Yeah?
I like it.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you, man. Have a nice day.
Yeah, it's all like urgent cares, and you gotta make an appointment.
You know what, Johnny? I'm over it. Let's go eat Indian food. That hopefully doesn't suck. I really wanted to get tested. Bummer. About 6 years ago, when I first started the channel, my friend and I, we broke in here. And it was still a military base. I mean, it was decommissioned. Nothing was happening. They had a huge runway still intact. It was pretty cool, man. It didn't take them long, man, to put up a bunch of houses, huh? These condos are houses. They're super cool looking. But they're condos, townhomes. What's happening? Is Johnny taking us to strip mall Indian food? No, he wouldn't do that. He's taking us to food court Indian food. You're taking us to food court Indian food.
Legit, man. I've been coming here for a long time.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. If I don't like it, I'm gonna go get a kebab or a pizza or a fish taco. We got options.
That's no joke.
Hottest sauce you ever had?
And no joke. I mean, it's up there. Maybe like a pure extract would be hotter, but this is definitely pretty intense.
Take another hit.
No.
Food court Indian food. Not too bad. What did I get?
You got the chicken tikka and chicken tikka masala.
With the rice, with the bread.
Yeah, the garlic naan.
That's good. That's good. I have to say, I'll be back. Surprised, man. I had no idea the Indian food was this good. I've been missing out, buddy. Yeah. Everything you saw on my plate, I got a drink, I had the 2-item combo, about 17 bucks. Way more food than I could have ate. Next time I'll get the 1-item combo for sure. You find some good stuff, Johnny boy.
Oh, that was good.
What did you get?
I got the dog paneer, which is like the spinach with the little cheese cubes. And then I got the chicken masala as well.
Yeah.
And the Taj Mahal beer.
And you tried the end hot sauce.
Oh yeah, that stuff is no joke.
If you want to torture Johnny on video, send him my P.O. box right here. Shit for Johnny to try.
I'll try it, man.
Fun day as usual. Right around Johnny. Again, much love to the Patreons. Thank you. Thanks for being a part of my life and channel. You guys make it happen for me. Check out my website at suburbandelinquent.com. Good stuff happening there. Check out my dirt bike channel if you haven't already. And if you like the video, hit the like button. Subscribe too if you haven't. Videos every Monday. Also, please support the channel partners. If you're in the market for any of their products or services, check them out. Give them their opportunity first. All right, guys. Later.